Apartment review. You don't know guys, Abby is a rich girl. Rich kid pala.
Rich kid, rich girl. Okay, well.
Have fun soon here in her apartment. Okay naman, oh, okay na. I thought this is your refrigerator. Okay, bye. Ng Angeles is located in A. Santos Street. Beside the ano tawag dyan? Laundry shop. And in this side, this one is the San Roque. San Roque, right?
Yes.
San Roque Street. It's close to walking street. Walking distance only. Let's go inside. Water vendor. You need to pay. You have to pay to get. Yeah. There's no free. How much? Yeah. Yeah, may laundry shop dyan.
Strawberry jam?
Hello guys. This is Adventures of Anne and Abby Z Adventures. And this is Dasmini.
Asmin na to. Asmin.
Aspen the lifetime. Aspen the lifetime?
Lifetime ako. The trio.
Oh,
Iisang bituka.
the TikTok trio of MGC. And
GC na.
yeah.
Okay
And
na.
we're now here at Pater ng Angeles. You know what guys, we never eat yet, so we're just eating right now. And time check, 6:36 p.m. We haven't eat lunch yet. She already ate, but the two of us, we already ate.
You haven't eaten yet?
We haven't eaten yet too.
Nung may ano siya ito.
We are going to watch movie marathon at her condo.
Condotel.
Condotel. Oyo Hotel.
Oyo.
In Oyo. Oyo Hotel. She lives in Oyo Hotel. Condo 10.
Loading. Loading.
Hi, it's a girl.
Ew! Ew na tayo ngayon. You're so pretty. Ew!
She said, ew. Oh my God.
Wow, the pastel.
Pastel.
Yan yung beef?
Here's the food.
Ayun, lagayan ng tabang. Mango. Apo. Apo. Tsaka po sili po. May tangkay po.
Wow. Nice. This is chicken tinola. And this is my chicken pastil. Yay! Happy lunchtime. But it's dark outside.